Little Aryan was a bright boy, but his mind was always racing. He worried about his exams, his cricket matches, and what his friends thought of him. One evening, seeing Aryan looking stressed, his grandfather sat him down on the veranda. "Aryan," his grandfather said, "I want to tell you a story about a very famous scholar who once went to visit a wise Zen master." The scholar was a man of great learning. He had read hundreds of books and knew everything about philosophy and science. He went to the master to learn the secret of peace. When he met the master, the scholar didn't listen. Instead, he spent the whole time talking about his own achievements, his theories, and his opinions. He kept interrupting the master, eager to show how much he already knew. The Zen master listened patiently. Finally, he suggested, "You look tired. Let us have some tea." The master began to pour tea into the scholar's cup. The cup filled up, but the master did not stop pouring. The tea rose to the brim, spilled over the sides, and began to flood the table and drip onto the scholar's clothes. "Stop!" cried the scholar. "The cup is full. It can't hold any more." The master stopped pouring and looked at the scholar with a kind smile. "Like this cup," the master said, "you are full of your own opinions, your worries, and your preconceived ideas. How can I show you the path to peace unless you first empty your cup?" The grandfather patted Aryan's shoulder. "Your mind is like that cup, my boy. If you fill it with what-ifs, yesterday's mistakes, and tomorrow's fears, there is no room for the beauty of the present moment. To learn anything new, or to feel truly happy, you must first learn to empty your mind." Aryan took a deep breath. He realized that by letting go of his constant thoughts, he could finally find the space to just be.